If you are an Indian business owner, you're spending somewhere between 500 and 2000 rupees to generate a single lead online. How do you feel if I told you that all that money is going to waste? Not because you're generating bad leads, but because your sales team is not even calling 40% of them. And it's not even their fault, it's the system. So if you're still using Excel or Google Sheets and manually entering every new lead that you generate, here's the harsh truth: you're losing out business. Why? Because for every new lead that you generate, your sales reps are not able to see them. And as a result, there's no call, no sale, no follow up, and no ROI. Hello, folks, my name is Zaid, and in this video, I'll tell you why that is happening and how you can fix it in your business. You generate leads from multiple platforms: IndiaMart, Just Dial, Facebook, WhatsApp, Google Ads, your website, etc. And then what happens? Someone from your sales team is going to enter all that data manually into Excel. But here's the thing with manual entries: they always lead to gaps. Maybe a lead is never recorded, maybe it is recorded with the wrong number or name, or maybe it just gets lost between the two tabs. So when your sales rep finally sits down to call, they either dial the wrong number or there's no lead at all. And here's the worst part: there is no tracking of what is happening. Why? Because you can't ask the person who's entering the data, because then they'd have to go through hundreds of rows just to figure out what got missed. And that is not just frustrating, it's a complete waste of your and your sales team's time. So if you think about this, each missed lead is lost revenue, and every manual error you make is your sales team calling the void and getting no call back in return. And if you're a small business that's trying to thrive in a market like India, you just can't afford to lose money or leads due to manual processes. Okay, Zed, you've told me enough about my problems, but what is the solution to this mess? The answer is simple actually. All you need to do is get rid of those manual processes and start with sales automation, like lead capture and assignment. So here's how it works. A lead fills in a form on your website or from wherever you generate leads. It's instantly captured into a centralized system and it is stored there. And at the same time, it is assigned to the right sales rep, who is also notified that a new lead has been assigned to him. So with automation, you have eliminated the need of any Excel entries, and you have ensured that no lead is missed or lost because of manual processes. Plus, you won't be wasting any money on Google Ads because your sales team will now be calling 100% of your leads. Right now, you're probably wondering, all this is great news, but where exactly are my leads getting captured? In a document, on Excel sheets, Google Sheets, in a software? Well, it depends. If you wish to continue using Google Sheets as you have been doing before, you can simply get tools like Zapier and Pabbly and integrate all the lead generation platforms that you use in your business to get sorted leads directly into Google Sheets. The second option you have is to go for a CRM software like TeleCRM, Zoho, or HubSpot to shift your entire sales process and automate not just lead capture, but a lot of other sales processes as well. Personally, we think that a CRM is a much better option for you, simply because with Google Sheets, you only get to automate one part of your sales process, that is lead capture. But what about lead assignment, follow-up reminders, lead nurturing, drip marketing campaigns, chatbots, and a wide range of sales processes that can be automated? You only get that with a CRM and not with Google Sheets. Therefore, in the following videos, we'll be exploring how you can automate every single part of your sales process with a CRM. So make sure to check those videos out. Until next time, bye-bye.